What if you could feel stronger, more balanced, and confident through your day? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 14-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed especially for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to feel more ease in their body without having to get down on the floor. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a gentle seated twist. Sitting tall with your hands to your thighs, begin to gently rotate from right to left. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Clasp your hands to the seat of your chair. Extend both legs forward. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong, lightly drawing your navel in and up while cinching in all the way around your waist. Slowly and with control, lean back slightly, and then use your abs to return to upright. As you continue with this movement, work to keep your back from arching, feeling your spine straight and your navel back, strengthening through the front, back, and sides of core. Release and return to center. Moving into a side reach variation. Begin to alternate reaching one leg out to the side as you reach overhead, lengthening through your side body. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize, working through the front, back, and sides of core, while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, extend and reach through your right leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach and extend through your left leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, working through your obliques. Release and return to center, moving into a side leg lift. Clasp your hands beneath your chair, lean back at a slight angle, keeping your spine straight and your core engaged. Lift your right leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, working to keep your navel back towards your spine, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility through your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs up, out to the sides, and back to center. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, with your navel back towards your spine. Feeling this movement activate your deep core muscles. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, reach one arm down the leg of your chair and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, creating more space and ease through your spine and side body. Release and return to center. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Continue breathing deeply, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. Taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position. Allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you're sitting a little taller, feeling a little more refreshed and more energized for your day. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to Happy Yoga On Demand, where we have this series plus hundreds of episodes for every level, and you can cancel anytime. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.